Power off the machine before starting any operation. Press the handle and release the lock pin to position the head assembly in the up position. Tighten the slide rail lock knob. Rotate the lower guard counterclockwise and loosen the blade bolt cover screw. Press and hold the spindle lock button to ensure the blade is fixed. Use a 1/4 hex wrench to remove the blade bolt clockwise. Continuously remove the outer blade washer, blade, and inner blade washer. Install the inner blade washer and replace with a new blade, ensuring the arrow on the side of the blade facing down towards the front of the saw. Then put on the outer washer and tighten it in place using the blade bolt manually. Press and hold the spindle lock button and tighten the blade bolt securely. Tighten the blade bolt cover screw to fix the blade bolt cover. Test the blade to make sure it rotates smoothly.